How to manage data balance updates notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage data balance updates notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings and then click this one, notifications, and go down and you will find this one here, this one, data balance updates. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.